graduation, and it has been a very long journey, and I couldn't wait to be here.
Today our school is thrilled and honored to host the ceremony of graduation of our tourism and business students. We celebrated by obtaining the bachelor diplomas, and the celebration ceremony was a moment of joy. It was a moment of reflection on our past activities, on the classes that we had, hoping that they are going to have thrilling careers in the future and that their professional path will be brilliant.
I appreciate that I studied a lot and I tried hard to get this diploma, to achieve this success, and I will personally advise all of you to come here, study, get friends, and get your diploma.
A lot of unexpected scenarios such as COVID-19, which resulted in me moving from something that I knew to be stationary to remote learning, which was a big change. But overall, the experience was absolutely amazing. Got to meet amazing people, got to experience Poland and Polish culture, and just integrate at a level that I've never had to before in the past. So this is something that I'm really ecstatic about, just being able to graduate.
Despite everything, you guys made it. You attended your classes, even if you did not want to. Maybe you were not excited about classes, but you attended and you gave off your best. And for that, I would like to say congratulations, thank you. You should give a pat on the back for yourselves, because not a lot of people did what you guys did. I want to say thank you for you guys for giving us this opportunity, the dean, the lecturers. I would like to thank you for making a place for people to come study. I would like to say thank you for remaining focused, and thank you for doing your absolute best. See you in the big world.